Para na. Para na. Papunta kami ngayon ng airport. So yun mga karil. Para bukas may induct na kami bilang isang eagle. So yun mga karil, let's go! Let's go!
Dito Blato, dito sa Manila.
Oo, tapong man. Ikaw, ato na. Si Kuya Aaron ng Pablato. Buwas, pabot sa buwas. Sino to? Sino ba? Kaway tayo niyang kaway. Kuya, siyempre mga kaway. Yan, airport na.
Hanggang Balapan, day 1, punta tayo.
Okay na kami, papunta na tayo ng ano, Manila. Pa! Yeah. Look. Yan. Parang magandang maganda yung ano. Ganda yung entrance natin. Pero hindi ko dito dulo pa.
Uncle Nino. Uncle Nino.
Pa. Baba ng agaw na. Hindi tayo pagbaba para marami.
Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is
Yes, we landed at Korea. Oh, no. Baguio. Yes. Doon ka, tol. Ay, di na, tol. Tol. Yes. See you soon, mga kuya at ate. How people go driving, no entry.
Ito yung pang papel sa inyo.
Sige. Yes. Salamat, nakapahinga niya.
Yan ako na lang sir yung ano. Pa-fill up lang sir para test mo.
Ako na bahala.
Okay sir.
Yan. Unfold.
Si Carlo, sino si Carlo? Yeah, Carlo. Tawag mo tayo sa Chico eh, Carlo ah. Kasi, pwede naman. pa-grade ko wala ko ng Eagles. Tumubok ako to sa Puebla. Pa-grade.
Ingrid tao yung meron doon sa kwan, nakita ko sa
For example, nag-OPD or in-case
Tubig.
pero ikaw ya bro
Sama ton.
Nagre-breakfast ng Tapsilog, ang topic nila, Akila. Tanghali, imbis na tinola at inihaw na busin, ang pulutan at ang pagkain pa rin lang, Akila pa rin. Oh, guess what? Sagutin mo, anong pulutan?
kuya.
Pero kagaw, kuya Simpon, nasa bangka ng Bukatong.
Kung importante yung pag-uusapan nyo, mag-online kayo. Pero kung feeling nyo, kailangan nyo makinig mabuti doon at huwag kayo mag-online. Once na nagpa-attendance kayo, whether you like it or not, tapusin nyo sa hindi, pag nagpabilang kayo at nakapasok sa koron, nag- Oh. Yari, outdoor lang kayo number? Gusto ko rin, pag-dahil na yung kababahin, magpapalit pa kayo, pati mga kuya ko na naka-maong. Sige, pwede na, isecure nyo lang inyong registration doon para sa inyong certificate. Make sure makukuha nyo.
God loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate
So what's up mga ka-radio? Nandito tayo ngayon sa may induction kung saan may induct na tayo. Yan, today is September 30. Yan, kasama ko sila si Father Earth. Yan, si Kuya Shato. Yan, ako na natin. Si Kuya, si Father. Yan. The long wait is over. Pogi, Pogi. Sama ko yung Pogi. Pogi kong kuya ko. Ano kasi yung artist. Yan, saan sinubi? Punta ka.
Hello, si Kuya Sir.
Ang si Kuya Sir, ang Pogi Kuya. Yan, ang ating president yan ng Elite Recon. Yan, finally. Yan si Vice Governor Major Pichayda. Pinakapogi kong kuya. Yan, JB. Mabuhay ang Agila finally. Ang Agila. Ang pinakapogi nga president ng ng Elite Recon.
Mahirap na hindi daanan pero at least.
Mga bigating tao mga kasama natin. At magaganda ang ating mga dilag. Yan. Ang dami nating mga bisita ngayon kasama natin mga kuya, mga ate. At ang pinaka-pogi natin kuya, si Kuya Iya. Ang pogi ito parang artistahin talaga ngayon kuya.
Opo. and unity. Even as we tell of human care, we will share our lives through our liberty. God-loving men for country's sake.
Iya, Kuya Kaloy. What's up mga Karil?
From the Eagles Club, Eagle Gerald, Michaela, Vice Governor, Eagle President William Rosales. President of the Season, Eagles Club, Eagle Arthur Casajeros. Of the maternal order of Eagles, Eagle Queen Nelson Alonso Sapuli for the call to order.
By the power vested in me as your national president of the Maternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, the chartering and induction of officers and members are sa East Elite Eagles Club, Elite Record Eagles Club.
God-loving men for country's sake, for strength and mind and aid, we dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our common fear. As we tell of humanity,
Dito tayo ha.
we will share our lives, our liberty. God-loving men for
Applicant Nelson Tan Jr.
strength and mind and energy.
Applicant Nelson Tan Sr.
Service for the good heroes of the nation. We go around the world. As we praise the tools we need. Heroes of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve. It's equality and unity. Even as we tell of human care, we will turn our lives to
Okay.
Kaya congrats.
heroes of the nation.
Yeah, congrats.
And of course, we're enjoying our
Congrats Kuya.
Society for
Tama na yan, kain na lang. Kung maaari ko, sumubo ka.
We dedicate fraternal love.
It was just like a It was just like a song.
Suportahan natin si Kuya at ang aming
It was
video.
just like a song.
Welcome sa Abila.
My God was mine.
We will support you
But we were
everybody.
For brotherhood we work and serve. It's equality and unity.
All Eagles, Eagles Incorporated, Eagle Queen Nelson Alonso Sapuli. Recognition of valuable contribution for your passion. Recognition, commitment, and service to the